out there around the SANDPILE. Postman, Australia, getting up.
Hello, Iceman, down under here, another big movie down under too. Oh, Killer B, southeast corner, the third boss, waving back up.
Hey, Killer B, be your postmaster. Hey, Killer B, be 06, your postmaster down under. Killer B out there around the SANDPILE. Postmaster, Melbourne, Australia, getting up.
Down under is reading your mail, quick.
Hey, Killer B out there around the SANDPILE, man. It got real rough and tough that time round there, big brother. Hey, Killer B out there around the SANDPILE. It did get real rough and tough that time round. Killer B in the pile, your postman, 06, the postmaster, Melbourne, Australia, back reading this mail.
Melbourne, Australia. Melbourne, Australia.
Man, that was rough. I heard someone else out there on a little driver, but I couldn't quite pull out your 28. 06, the postman down under. 06, your postman, Melbourne, Australia. 06, your postmaster down under, reading this mail break.
I just want to say hello and get on up out the way. Bump it down when I can. With some worldwide BEA, they call me bulldozer down under. I'm old now.
Man, I heard you there, but I couldn't quite pull out your 28 again. I did hear you say my name a few times, but I couldn't quite pull out your 28 again. 06, the postman down under. 06, your postman, Melbourne, Australia, back reading the mail.
Hey, 06.
Hey, 321, I got you that time round, man. Hello out there, 321, I heard you that time round. Someone else in there calling my name as well, but I did hear you that time round. 321, 06, postman down under. 321, postmaster, Australia, right there. Man, that time round it did get real rough and tough, no doubt about it. 321 out there. You take them easy, take care. Always a pleasure, double measure on this end. 321, your 06 postman, Melbourne, Australia, getting down.
06, I know it's an English man. We're on about 1,000 copies going back to you.
I got bits and pieces of that there, 321. You're right there, man. About 1,000 cotton pickers out there hooping and hollering. Hey, 321, once again, take them easy, take care. Do appreciate you saying my name out there. 321, 06, postman, Melbourne, Australia, back reading the mail. Hey, Switchblade, WOLFLAKE, man, I heard you through the mist that time round. Hello out there, worldwide, Switchblade, WOLFLAKE. Hello, Switchblade Wolflake. I heard you through the mess that time round, big brother. Switchblade Wolflake 06, your postmaster down under, right there.
Oh my goodness, it's worse. Take these and take care of all you later, my really good friend, the postmaster.
I appreciate it there, Switchblade Wolflake. It is rough and tough on this end also there, big brother. Switchblade Wolflake, I do appreciate you saying my name out there. Worldwide Switchblade, worldwide Switchblade. Switchblade Wolflake, your postmaster down under, right there.
Sure, you postmaster, those are trying to arrest you over. Hello, number 2,000. Take care, guys. Postmaster, behave yourself.
Switchblade Wolflake, man, I do appreciate it once again there, big brother. Switchblade Wolflake, take them easy, take care, enjoy the up-and-coming weekend time. Switchblade Wolflake, postman down under. Switchblade, your postmaster, Melbourne, Australia, great big quad, getting down.
Right back, postmaster. Hey, postmaster, you got some company, but boy, you're about radio. Smoking coming out of Melbourne, oh my goodness. I was trying to say Melbourne, Mississippi, or Wolflake, Australia or something. I don't know what the hell I was going to say. Take care, call you later, postmaster. Switchblade, Wolflake, bye.
Check on that there, Switchblade out there around Melbourne, Mississippi. Check on that there, Switchblade out there around Melbourne, Mississippi. Your 06 Postman, Wolflake, Australia. Your 06, your postmaster out of Wolflake, Australia, got down.
Postmaster, you take care of yourself.
I appreciate it.
Alright there, Switchblade out there around Melbourne, Mississippi. Alright, Switchblade out there around Melbourne, Mississippi. I do appreciate you saying my name out there, big brother. Your postmaster down under. Your postmaster out of Wolflake, Australia. Waving now, see ya.
Man, I can't think of postmaster for background, but you got that there. Take care, worldwide bulldozer. Worldwide bulldozer.
Hey, Switchblade Wolflake, can he do it twice? Hey, Switchblade Wolflake, I want to know, can he do it twice now? Switchblade Wolflake, your postmaster down under. Switchblade Wolflake, postmaster down under, got up.
Switchblade, you guys is a down.
Much better than last week, eh, Dozer?